Hello, Basic English class presentation topic prose and poetry. Contents. This presentation includes an introduction of the following contents of prose and poetry. Prose, A Room 10 by 8 by K.S. Duggal. Spoken English and Broken English by George Bernard Shaw. Forgetting by Robert Lind. My Greatest Olympic Prize by Jesse Owens. Poetry, Poem The Chimney Sweepers by William Blake. Dover Beach by Matthew Arnold. Lady Clare by Alfred Lord Tennyson. The Vagabond by R.L. Stevenson. Prose, A Room 10 by 8 by K.S. Duggal. A Room 10 by 8 is a story written by K.S. Duggal. The story is based on the theme Generation Gap. The story indicates the lack of understanding and affection among family members of different generations. Spoken English and Broken English by George Bernard Shaw. Spoken English and Broken English is a transcript delivered on gramophone by George Bernard Shaw. The essay presents the writer's views on speaking correct English. Forgetting by Robert Lind. Forgetting is an essay written by the writer Robert Lind. It is based on the theme of forgetting. It describes causes of forgetting and the things that people usually forget. My Greatest Olympic Prize by Jesse Owens. The story is written by Jesse Owens. It is based on the experience of Jesse Owens at the Olympic Games in 1936. Poetry. Poem, The Chimney Sweepers. The Chimney Sweepers is a poem written by William Blake. The poem indicates the suffering and the bad condition of children who were made to work as chimney sweepers. The poem is from the collection of poems, Songs of Innocence. Dover Beach. The poem Dover Beach is written by Matthew Arnold. The speaker observes the light in Dover Beach which gleams and is gone after some time. It is compared to the declining spiritual faith among people. The sea is also used as a symbol. Its waves are compared to the faith of people. Lady Clare. Lady Clare is a poem written by the poet Alfred Lord Tennyson. It is a narrative poem in ballad form. The theme of the poem is the concept of true love that is pure and unselfish. The incident is revealed through the dialogues and interaction of the main characters. The Vagabond. The poem The Vagabond is a poem written by R.L. Stevenson. The speaker in the poem is a person who expresses the joy of walking. The speaker is a person who does not stay in one place for long but likes to travel from one place to another by walking. Thank you.